my preparation when I come into the salon early. I'm usually here at least 30 minutes before my first client. Turn on all the lights, get everything ready in the morning, put my tools away that have been sanitizing. Here's my little sanitizer right over here, my quaternary solution, towel where they dry, put them away. Then I open up the blinds so we can have a nice little view of the parking lot and the nice trees. So here's where my first client will be sitting, and I have her file folder out with all her tools. Yes, this is way more economical than those plastic boxes with the little holes in them for each person's tools. I just get a whole big box of these at the office supply, and then when they get flimsy, you know, after a while of using them, you just throw them out and get more. So economical. Laid out the color wheels for her to start choosing while I am working on one hand. She could be looking at the color wheels with the other. We've got the light laid out because I'm going to be doing a gel polish change on her. Got my little readers, my +1s, because hey man, I'm over 50 and your eyes start going after a while. So mask is out ready so I don't inhale any dust. My next client after that is a waterless spa pedi, which are the only kind I do. I do dry pedis. I've been doing those for, gosh, well over a decade, maybe 15 years or so. I've got my laundry here. Towels are soaking. When I'm done with my first client and my second client, those white towels will go in there. I did colors yesterday. That's Holly's room. That's where another nail tech rents her room. And here is our shared area, our kitchen area. So we have tons of space. So as my client will be coming in soon, then we will both wash our hands, me and her, and dry our hands before we sit at my nail table, where we will sanitize our hands again. And these are just normal procedures. If your nail tech is not having you all do this before each service, then your nail tech is really outdated and behind the times when it comes to sanitation, and either they don't understand the importance of it or they don't care to understand the importance of it. So take your choice. I don't know which it is.